So hi guys, so for today we're leaving for Manila and we're going to watch Tulanga Silao's anniversary production, and I'm so excited to see it. It's their first ever original musical play, and I'm just so excited to see everybody, my friends, everyone, like my exes, Charles, and literally just everybody. And yeah, see you. I'm already here at Manila and pangit ko naman, nakakawalang gana mag-vlog. Ayun, and alis na ako maya-maya din. I'm just going to take my lunch and then I leave na din. Hi guys, so ayun, alis na rin ako dito sa condominium at yung kaibigan ko nagbubok na daw siya ng Grab. And yeah, excited naman ako ng konti, pero kahapon excited ako manood, pero ngayon konti na lang. So sana maganda yung show.
It's causing
Hey! Bro, I'm really trying so hard to be entertaining, but I just don't know what to say. So,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wala! 30!
You broke my rib!
Pero bro, oo, lalaki ito.
Pwede ba nahayaan mo akong mahalin ang sarili sa paraan na nais ko, sa paraan na tama sa akin? Pwede bang mahalin mo ako?
Madam, what can you say about the show? Tell them.
Maganda.
The problem is, it's so difficult to get out of that. So, rethink niya. Tapos,
Hi guys, so katatapos lang ng show and papunta kami sa, I don't know, kakain ba kami or pupunta kami sa condominium ng friend namin, but we'll see. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for joining guys. Bye! Give me that.